let's get ready for brunch. We're going to Urban Market. It's a great local place. We're just doing one palette, eyebrows, a little mascara, quick lip, we're good to go. I've been getting a lot of strange comments about my lips lately. Yes, my face, you know, gaining weight, my face is a little swollen, my lips get a little swollen like in the pregnancy, but just the comments are, oh, your lips look so much better before. I've never had filler. I went down a rabbit hole on my phone from years to like before I was pregnant with Emra, after I was pregnant with Emra, during pregnancies with both Emra and Elodie, and now my lips don't look that much different. It's just my lips, guys. It depends on how I line them, what kind of products I use on my lips, how I'm positioned in the camera. If I'm like this, top lip looks very small compared to my bottom lip, but when I do this, they look plump. Plus, even if I did get my lips filled, which I didn't, I don't see why I should bother you. Pregnant body changes. I gained weight a lot in my face. Everything just looks a little bigger. Everything's a little bit more swollen, and that's okay. I'm using this color right here. This is just going to warm up my complexion. I'm not really contouring, I'm just adding a little bit of dimension and a little bit of, you know, depth to my face. This color and this color I like to mix, and sometimes add in the salmon color depending on the skin tone. We're gonna lighten it up a little bit with the other color. And I'm gonna take this color and this one, the lightest ones, and place that right here for my concealer shades. This is the Smashbox, the blurring foundation brush. Take my finger and work that concealer shade in a little bit more. A little bit of eyebrow. I'm just gonna use the CoverGirl, the Nano Brow Pencil, and I have medium brown. I just use a very light pressure to fill in some of the sparse areas. I don't want these two blushes. I feel like they're a little too pink. Yeah, those are the Hourglass one. I got it during the Sephora sale and I've been playing with it, and you need the tiniest amount. So I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand. I've been using the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe number 7 brush. Let's apply a little bit of powder, Charlotte Tilbury. I want most of that natural glow, but we're going to soften the center of my face. We're gonna keep the rest of that glow on the cheeks happening. Surratt Beauty Eyelash Curler. You know what, let's do this one. I think you can still get this on Amazon, the L'Oreal, the Bambi Eye waterproof version. Just gonna do a very light coat. Just want those wispy, curled, lifted lashes. A little bit of lip liner, Maybelline, and then Summer Fridays lip butter. Let me clean this up my hair a little bit. Today, the 3-in-1 styling wand. If you need a beautiful all-in-one palette, still one of my go-tos, Makeup Forever. They have another one that came out recently this year, a little more blushes. Great option, so good. All right, thank you for watching, spending time with me, getting ready, and I'll see you next one.